This is Georgia, and today I have another 12-pack of Shopkins Season 4. So, we have this 12-pack. So, I opened a pack like this morning. So, if you guys have to check it out, please check it out. So, it's a 12-pack. And there are, I think there's like 200 to collect because there's 48 Petkins. So I'm really excited to open it up. So I already see a lot of Petkins. And look, they already have a Petkin there. There's so much detail on this box. It's really cute. So let's get started. And what we're trying to look for is limited edition. I'm really excited. So let's hope we get a limited edition today. Alright, so here's the Shopkins list. Here's what I'm talking about, 48 Petkins. So let's open it up. So here, this is slippery. I think this is a Petkin. See who this one is? Reminds me of some juice. What is it for, like animal drinks? That's so yummy. And it's an autumn leaf, so probably it's an autumn drink. This looks like a mouse. It's really cute. So let's see who that one is. Okay, so this one is that one is maple syrup. So it's a syrup, it's not a drink, it's syrup. So put it over here. Really cute. Next we have this one. I'm gonna show this. This is so cute. Next we have this shoe. Looks really cute. Looks like one of the shoes I wear for like fancy occasions. So let's see who's this one. Let's see if I can fit it on my foot. Nope, I can't fit it. This one is the shoe. This one is in the accessories. There's no shoe. This one is Sharon shoe, and Sharon shoe is a common. So we have shoe that I wear. Look at it. It even has like the hearts on the back. So it looks like the back of the shoe. This is really cute. I would want to wear the shoe a lot, but I'm too big for this one. A little bit too big. So I'm a giant. Here. Okay. Next we have this one. This one, it looks like a really cool cupcake. I wonder who this one is. This one is Ice Cream Queen. Ice Cream Queen is a common. Remind me of Ice Cream Dream. This is really cute. It has like a lot of frosting and whipped cream and like jelly. I think this is jelly. Frosting and a cupcake. This is really cute. I love this. Next we have this one. Let me open this. Another Petkin. This looks like another drink. And this one is Bing topping. So this is a topping. Maybe it's a honey topping. Probably this one and this one are friends. Probably they like to eat each other. There's like honey detail. I think this is chocolate. This is really cute. Look at the chocolate coming out. And look at all the detail on it. Looks really cute. Next we have this one. This one is probably on the sweet treat section. Sweet treats. Let's hope I'm right. I don't think I'm right. Then I'll just go to party time. It's not a party time? Let me find it. Oh, I was right all along. It's Cindy Bond. Yeah. So we have Cindy Bond. Cindy Bond. I think Cindy Bond's a common. Yep, Cindy Bond's a common. We're having a lot of commons for season 4, but it's okay because I never had a lot of these commons before. It's not really common. Look at all that thing. This is a lot of frosting and whipped cream. I would totally love this cupcake. If it was real, I'll eat it. Next we have this one over here. I think this one's on the garden. This is really cute. Look at the flowers and like the green leaves. I think this is a flower pot with flowers on it. He looks really cute. It smells good. This one is in a garden, of course. This is Pet a Plant, and it's a common. Alright, now next one. This one is a cabbage. And it's purple and green. I saw this once, but not like I think this one's common, but looks a little bit rare, a rare vegetable. This one reminds me of Plants vs. Zombies, the cabbage. I think they have a cabbage, right? Tell me in the comments below if Plants vs. Zombies have a cabbage that looks like this. Looks like roses. This cabbage is named Crispy Lettuce, and it is a common. Now let's go here. Whoa, this is a chair. Let's see if I can sit on it. I think it's a little bit too small. This is a chair. And probably one of the Shopkins could sit on these. No. Right, let's get a skinny one. Ooh, I can sit. This one is a chair, and that is really interesting that they have a chair in Shopkins Season 4. See who this chair is. Look, it looks like it's this fancy chair from the White House. Yay! Looks like emeralds in the bottom. Okay. She is probably in the accessories. I mean homewares. It's comfy chair, and comfy chair is a common. Next we have this one. And this one is the purse we got last time. See, I have a different color though. It's fine. Don't I have? Oh, I don't have this one then. Oh, I do. It's right here. Of a different color. See? This one is a white one, and it's a white bag with golden jewelry. This one is really cute. Yay, I'm going to the mall. Going to the mall shopping. Really cute. This one is Jules, and Jules is a common. Alright. Ooh, this looks like a... I think this is from Fruits and Veggies. This looks like a pancake for some reason. So it has like this little nut, and like this looks like a squash pancake. Probably this is a squash. It looks like a circle squash. It feels really interesting too. So let's see who this one is. This one is in Fruit and Veg, I think. It's not in Fruit and Veg. Oh, it's a cookie nut? The cookie? From Bakery's Common Cookie Nut? Like this is a pancake. It's cookie nut, but it starts really sweet. This one is common. So let's hope we get something special, like a limited edition. Please, 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 please. Let's hope we get one. Oh, there's rubber bands. I'm closing my eyes. Oh, we didn't get any limited editions. Oh, so you got another petkin. It has one petkin in each one. Let's open this petkin up. This one is... What is it? This one is Jelly Jam. Jelly Jam. Here's Jelly Jam. Ooh, look at the jelly. This looks like an old-fashioned jelly jar. And last but not least, we have another ultra rare Dennis Ball. But at least it's a different color. Because if it's the same color, then I won't. Then it's a duplicate ultra rare. Open this up. Ooh, this one's pretty hard to open. Oh, there we go. This one is Dennis Ball, and Dennis Ball is a ultra rare. And it's pink. I like pink. But purple's my favorite color. Yeah! Really cute. Tennis ball. Here are my shopping. So thanks guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, put a big fat thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time on Family Web. This is Georgia. I'll see you next time.